Alright, science fans, let's talk about some of the most underrated but totally awesome organs in your body. Your kidneys. Picture two reddish-brown, bean-shaped powerhouses. That's right, they look just like giant kidney beans, which is pretty cool, right? These organs are about the size of your fist, so hold up your hand and make a fist. They are located on either side of your spine just below your rib cage, kind of tucked away toward your back. Think of them as your body's built-in, super smart cleaning and balancing team, working 24/7 without ever taking a day off. Having two kidneys is like having a backup system. While one kidney can do the job all by itself if it has to, having a pair ensures that the massive task of cleaning your blood gets done efficiently. They are connected to your body's plumbing system through a series of tubes. One big blood vessel, the renal artery, brings blood to the kidneys to be cleaned, and another, the renal vein, takes the fresh, clean blood away. It's a continuous, incredible loop of cleaning that keeps you healthy and full of energy. So what's their main mission? Their job is seriously important. Imagine your body as a bustling city. The blood is like the city's delivery service, carrying nutrients and oxygen to every single house or cell. But along the way, this delivery service also picks up trash and waste products. That's where your kidneys come in. They are the city's high-tech, state-of-the-art waste treatment and recycling plant. They are true biological marvels. Let's zoom in on the kidney's #1 job, cleaning your blood. Consider this. All the blood in your body, every single drop, passes through your kidneys many times a day. We're talking about filtering roughly 200 quarts of blood every 24 hours. That's like filtering 50 big 1-gallon jugs of liquid. Your kidneys are like the most dedicated car wash you've ever seen. But instead of washing cars, they're washing your blood. They take in the dirty blood, full of waste products from your muscles and from the food you eat, and they work their magic to scrub it clean, sending refreshed and purified blood back out to circulate through your body again. How does this incredible filtering process actually happen? Inside each of your kidneys are about 1 million tiny microscopic filtering units called nephrons. That's 1 million! If you could line up all the nephrons from just one kidney, they would stretch for miles. Each nephron is like a tiny cleaning station. It has two main parts, a filter called the glomerulus and a tubule. Now that the blood has been filtered by the glomerulus, we have this liquid called filtrate. But hold on, we can't just get rid of all of it. This filtrate contains not only waste products like urea, but also a lot of things your body still needs, like water, glucose, sodium, potassium. If your body peed out all of that good stuff, you'd become dehydrated and weak very quickly. So the next part of the kidney's job is to be a super smart recycler. The filtrate now moves from the glomerulus into the long winding part of the nephron called the tubule. This is where the real magic of sorting happens. Think of the tubule as a long winding conveyor belt at a recycling factory. As the filtrate, the mix of waste and good stuff, travels along this conveyor belt, special workers, which are actually cells lining the tubule, carefully inspect everything that passes by. Their job is to recognize and grab all the valuable items and put them back into the bloodstream. They reabsorb almost all of the water, the glucose, the salts, the minerals. This leftover combination of water and waste products is what we call urine. It's the final product of the kidney's amazing cleaning and sorting factory. Your kidneys do more than just clean your blood. They are also the master controllers of your body's water levels. This is an incredibly important job. Your body is made up of about 60% water, and keeping that level just right, not too high and not too low, is essential for everything to work properly. Your kidneys are like the diligent dam keepers for the river of your body. They constantly monitor how much water you have and decide whether to release more water by making more urine or to conserve it by making less, more concentrated urine. It's a delicate balancing act that they perform flawlessly every minute of the day. So, how do they know how much water to keep? They listen to signals from your brain. A part of your brain called the hypothalamus acts like a water sensor. When you haven't had enough to drink and your body is getting dehydrated, your brain releases a special chemical messenger, a hormone called antidiuretic hormone, or ADH for short. ADH travels through the blood all the way to your kidneys and delivers a simple message: hold on to water. In response, the kidney tubules become more porous to water, allowing more of it to be reabsorbed back into the blood instead of being peed out. Let's dive even deeper into the world of the nephron, the microscopic superstar of the kidney. Remember, you have about 1 million of these in each kidney, and they are the fundamental units where all the action happens. The first part, the glomerulus, is a tangled ball of tiny blood vessels or capillaries. The walls of these capillaries are super thin and full of tiny holes, like a microscopic piece of Swiss cheese. This unique structure is what allows them to act as high-pressure filters, separating the small waste molecules from the large, essential blood cells and proteins. It's a brilliant design, perfected by nature over millions of years. After the filtrate leaves the glomerulus, it enters the long U-shaped tubule. This isn't just a simple pipe, it's an incredibly sophisticated biological machine. Different sections of the tubule have different jobs. The first section is responsible for reabsorbing most of the good stuff, like glucose, vitamins, and amino acids, that accidentally got filtered out. Imagine it as the quality control section right at the beginning of the assembly line, making sure nothing important gets thrown away by mistake. As the filtrate continues its journey down and then up the U-shaped loop of the tubule, known as the loop of Henle, this section is primarily responsible for creating a salty environment in the tissue surrounding the tubules. This saltiness is key to the kidney's ability to concentrate urine and conserve water. So, we've seen that kidneys are amazing filters and water balancers, but their superhero powers don't stop there. Keeping your kidneys healthy is absolutely vital for your overall well-being because they have several other secret jobs. For instance, did you know your kidneys help control your blood pressure? They produce hormones that can cause your blood vessels to tighten or relax, which helps keep your blood pressure in a safe and healthy range. If your kidneys aren't working well, blood pressure can go haywire, which can be dangerous for your heart and brain. Another one of their super duties is to help make red blood cells. That's right. Your kidneys produce a very important hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO. This hormone sends a signal to your bone marrow, the soft, spongy stuff inside your bones, telling it to produce more red blood cells. These are the cells that carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. Without enough EPO from healthy kidneys, your body wouldn't make enough red blood cells, leading to anemia. So for energy to run and play, you can thank your kidneys. Your kidneys are also crucial for keeping your bones strong and healthy. They play a key role in activating vitamin D. You can get vitamin D from sunlight and some foods, but it's not in a form your body can use right away. Your kidneys convert it into its active form. This active vitamin D is essential for helping your body absorb calcium for strong bones and teeth. Now that you know just how incredible and important your kidneys are, you're probably wondering, how can I keep my kidneys healthy and strong? Well, the good news is that it's actually pretty simple. The most important thing you can do is drink plenty of water throughout the day. Water is the key ingredient that helps your kidneys do their job of flushing out waste and toxins from your body. Think of it like giving your internal cleaning crew the main tool they need to get the job done right. When you're well hydrated, your urine should be a light yellow or clear color. That's a great sign that your kidneys are happy. Another fantastic way to support your kidneys is by eating a healthy, balanced diet. This means eating lots of fruits, vegetables, whole grains. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals and are naturally lower in salt. Eating too much salty food like chips, fast food, processed snacks can make your kidneys work extra hard to get rid of the excess sodium and can also raise your blood pressure. So next time you reach for a snack, think about choosing an apple or a handful of carrots. Your kidneys will thank you. Regular exercise is another secret weapon for kidney health. When you run, jump, swim, or ride your bike, you are doing more than just strengthening your muscles and heart. Physical activity helps control your blood pressure and blood sugar levels. Finally, it's important to be careful with medicines. Some medications can be hard on your kidneys if you take too much. By drinking enough water, eating well, staying active, and being smart about medicines, you are giving your kidneys the support they need.